Hi guys, here I've got the Gl-iNet Comet Pro. It's the GL-RM10. It's a remote KVM. It has HDMI in and out, USB for accessories, and then obviously it's got keyboard and mouse. This one has dual band Wi-Fi 6, up to 4K at 30, and if you go lower resolution, you obviously get 60 frames, or maybe 50. Gigabit Ethernet audio support, two-way audio, and then has touchscreen. You can set a pin code. I'll show you that later. It's got some social medias card, instruction manual, reset pin, yeah, 60 frames for everything below 4K, and then 30 frames for 4K. This is the plug adapter. I have the US version. Let's see, how do I close that? Oh wow, that's neat. Let's see. Oh wow, that's nice. Let's see. 0.3 amps. So there's 10 watts. Yeah, 10 watt. This is like the average 5V 2 amp charger or power supply. Here's the KVM. Let's see what else. HDMI cable. I like that they included Velcro. Ethernet. Let's see. Cat6. That's nice. Another HDMI for the pass-through, or the output. USB-C to C. USB-A to C. Yeah, that's it. Here's the KVM itself. It's got some thick bezels. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh, I'm just gonna cover that real quick. See, like there's a Wi-Fi antenna in there. Looks like it got a heatsink. Yeah, this is quite a lot different from the original Comet. This is the Comet, the original Comet. I had one of the earlier versions. It has a much smaller box. 2K at 60. This one also does 4K at 30. This one has 32 gig storage. The original Comet only had 8. and most of that was not usable because some of it was for the OS. This one also has two-way audio, but no pass-through. Here's the box. Yeah, it's got the same stuff basically. Manual. This one didn't have HDMI cables. I took the Type-C cable also. So this one came with didn't say, probably the same one. Probably also Cat 6. They look the same. So yeah, this one only didn't come with a power supply or the HDMI cables. But that might have been because I got the earlier versions. There's quite a bit of size difference. It's like way thicker. Yeah, this will be interesting. I'll show you the UI and everything else shortly.